Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Hangout. Children, in my previous video, I had explained you all problem set 11, that is subtraction of 6 and 7 digit number. In our chapter addition and subtraction. If you all want to check it out, link is given in description below. So today we are going to solve problem set 12. In problem set 12, the word problems are given. Okay, so problem set 12, first one. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? So here it is said that the Prathamesh wanted to buy a laptop of rupees 27,450, but he has only 22,975 rupees only. So we have to find it out that how much amount he still needs to buy the laptop. Okay, so to find out, we have to do the solution. While writing the solution, first we have to write what is given in the question. Okay, so here it is given first price of the laptop. Rupees 27,450. Then next it is given the money with Prathamesh. Is rupees 22,975. Okay, so here we have to write the money still needed. So to find out how much money Prathamesh wants, we have to do the subtraction with both the numbers. Okay, so we'll start with the subtraction. Here 0 minus 5, we cannot remove 5 from 0. So cancel here 5, write up 4 and carry full 10 here. So it will become the whole number 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 4 minus 7, again we cannot do the subtraction because here from 4 we cannot remove 7. Okay, so cancel here 4, write here 3 and it will become the whole number, that is 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Next is 3 minus 9. But 3 is smaller number. So cancel here 7. Write here 6 and it will become the whole number, that is 13. So 13 minus 9, take the help of your finger, that is 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much remains? 4. So we have to write here 4. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Then here 2 minus 2, we will get 0. So total answer which we got is 4,475. Okay, so answer Prathamesh still need rupees 4,475 to buy the laptop. Okay, clear? Question number 2. The company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? Here it is said that one company has produced scooters 44,730 in certain year and 43,150 in the next year. Here it is told to find out the scooters they produced in the previous year. Okay, so to find out we have to write the solution. When we are writing solution, we have to write what is given. Okay, so here it is given the scooters in a certain year is 44,730. Then next is given scooters in the next year, that is 43,150. Okay, and down we have to write more scooters. So to find out the more scooters, we have to do the subtraction. So put here minus sign. So 0 minus 0, we will get 0. 3 minus 5, we cannot remove 5 from 3. So cancel here 7, write up 6 and write here whole number 13 and cancel 3. So 13 minus 5, if you all don't know the direct subtraction, then take the help of your finger. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers? 8 fingers are remaining. So write here answer 8. Okay. Then next is 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. So total number we got is 1580. So answer we have to write the company manufactured 1580 more scooters in the previous year. Question number 3. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? So here it is said that in a certain city, means in a one city, there are 16,37,856 men and 16,52,978 women. So here we have to find it out. How many does the number of women exceed the number of men? So to write the solution, we have to write first what is given. Okay, so here what is given? The number of women. Is 16 lakhs 52,978. Then next is given the number of men, that is 16 lakhs 37,856. So down we have to write the number of women more. Okay, so to find out how many women are more, we have to do the subtraction. So 8 minus 6, we will get the answer 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 7, here we cannot remove 7 from 2. So cancel 5, write here 4, and it will become the whole number 12, and cancel 2. So 12 minus 7, if you all don't know, take the help of your finger. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer will be 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so total answer which we got is 15,122. Okay, so here we have to write answer. The number of women exceeds the number of men by 15,122. Question number 4. An organization decided to collect 25 lakhs rupees for a certain project. They collected 26 lakhs 57,340 through donations and other kinds of aids. By how much did they exceed their target? So here it is said that one organization has decided to collect 25 lakhs rupees for the certain project. Okay, but they have collected 26 lakhs 57,340 rupees by donation and by other kinds of aid. So now they have to find out how much did they exceed that target. Solution. Received from donation rupees 26 lakhs 57,340. The next is given target. Target is rupees 25 lakhs. So to find out amount more than the target, we have to do the subtraction. So put the minus sign. So 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So the answer which we got is 1,57,340. So here we have to write the answer. The organization exceeded the target by rupees 1,57,340. Question number 5. Use the numbers 23,849 and 27,056 to make a subtraction problem. Solve the problem. Okay, so here it is said that the numbers are given. We have to make the problem. Okay, and we have to solve that problem also. So here we have to first do the problem. So write problem. That is, we can write it as in an election, Bhalerao got 27,056 votes and Chandrakant got 23,849 votes. By how much votes did Bhalerao win the election? Okay, now here our problem is ready. So we have to do the solution of this problem. So solution, we can write it as Bhalerao got 27,056 votes. Next, Chandrakant got 23,849 votes. Okay. So in the question it is said how much vote Bhale Rao got. So here we have to write Bhale Rao got. So we have to do the subtraction here. 6 minus 9 we cannot remove. So cancel 5, write up 4 and here it will become whole number 16. So 16 minus 9 we will get 7. 4 minus 4 0. 0 minus 8 can't do the subtraction. So cancel 7, write up 6 and here it will become 10. So 10 minus 8 2. 6 minus 3 3. 2 minus 2 0. So total answer we got is 3,207. So answer Bhale Rao got in election 3,207 more votes. Okay children, I hope you must have understood the problem set 12. If you want the worksheet of this problem set 12, link is given in description below. So keep practicing and learning. Till then, thank you and goodbye.